Zlatan Ibrahimovic in the centre.
Oh, yes! You have to marvel at the sheer spectacle of it! Taking everyone by surprise, yet at the same time we know just how capable he is. A special moment.
Well, here's the replay. I saw Thierry Henry do this in training once and joked he'd never do it in a game.
They've been trying to make this deal happen, and now it has officially gone through. Great news for their fans, Lee.
Well, Derek, he's got everything for me, a real prospect. Just got to keep himself working hard, listening to his coaches. He's got a real future, this lad.
Lemina, this could square the game, but the keeper has his say. And how important could that be in the grand scheme of things?
Well, Derek, he got all his angles completely right. That's what he's there for. Keep it out then.
Moving into the advanced position. And Ibrahimovic! Surely! Oh, he's found the net! And that increases the advantage to 2. Just what they wanted, and just what they deserve.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a great ball into the danger area. But then there's still plenty to do. You have to say it's a really nice finish. Just to get...
Well, he's given us away. So 20 minutes to go. Alexander Mitrovic. Well, not really a shooting moment he's going to be especially proud of, Lee.
Well, he did have other options, but he thought, you know what, I'm just going to have a go.
Out. And so the referee blows the whistle. That is the end of the game. And Milan victorious. Lee, your thoughts?
Yeah, their 2-goal advantage in the end was just reward for their good play today for me. Worthy winners.